So hello guys, very good evening. I am Pankaj. This is
Deepak.
this is
Jatin.
this is. So we are going to talk about UPI transaction in India. So first of all, if I talk about UPI transaction, when before the lockdown, we don't know about the UPI. मतलब अच्छी तरह बताइए।
Very well.
Very well. But in the lockdown time, every know about the UPI. But UPI, how to run, and every rickshaw man, automans know about the UPI.
And one thing, our prime minister also launch. नहीं also उन्होंने बढ़ावा दिया.
Yes, encouraged.
He is encouraged the UPI. He also make a advertisement like Paytm. It is good for us. No any लेन-देन हाथ से.
Don't use cash.
Don't use cash. Use digital money.
First of all, I will tell you what is UPI. Actually, UPI is UPI stands for a Unified Payment Links. Interface, which is founded by NPCI. First of all, we have to it is very prestigious that we are using actually 200 to 300 million active users in financial year 2023, and it's very good for our India that our money is coming to ourselves through NPCI. Actually, NPCI founded or you can say owner of UPI. NPCI stands for National Payment Corporation of India, which is founded by RBI in 2016. So as Pankaj is saying, actually we are using Paytm since demonetization. Demonetization is occur because government want to introduce that we can also make secure payments more than physically through online apps, because earlier people are very like they don't believe that we can share money to any from one account to another account through the help of mobile. They have some doubt. So I think because of demonetization, people got to know that yes, we can share money from one account to another account through the help of these third party UPI apps that are Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay.
And these third party apps also use the third party banks like HDFC, Yes Bank, and IDFC. Like they also provide a UPI IDs, because when we pay amount when we occur a transaction, that's the payment take the inputs from us and send to our bank and take and create a transaction there.
Yeah, you won't you won't believe, like in India, we have 75 retailers who uses UPI payment, and like in July 2023, it is the biggest day for UPI and NPCI, because on that day, in that month, 10 million transactions were occur in India. That is very biggest number in the worldwide in the history. So I think we should celebrate, or we should be happy that yes, our money. Otherwise, you won't believe in USA there is a founder of you have heard about PayPal, founded by Elon Musk, and they have several startups, several these types of apps. If RBI didn't took this step, now on that day, on this day, we were using any foreigner startup, and the bad or the disadvantage of that, we are using, and we ultimately are helping them, like to sending money, we helping someone's startup. I think it's not good. So we should thank to you can say, because people are very offended when demonetization were occur. So we should thanks to like Modi ji, because on since I think November 2016, when on the day of demonetization, many people abused this party, and especially Modi ji. But right now everyone is giving thanks to them. So I think it's a wonderful thing.
And I would like to tell people who don't know about the UPI. With the help of UPI, we can easily send to money with someone, and we can easily pay our hotel bills, and we can recharge, and many more. We can book the flight tickets, and with the help of UPI, we don't need to go anywhere to pay our expenses and many more things.
Like overall, you are trying to say we don't need to carry cash at all.
Yes.
If we have sufficient amount in our bank account, either we are good. I just forgot to tell you that now there are many countries which accepted UPI payment. Do you know which are these countries? Like these, like
like America.
no,
France,
not
France has
France,
accepted
Italy,
recently.
Mauritius, Singapore, and right now UK is ongoing. Like they did not like accepted at all. But I think this is undergoing process. Apart from that, Oman, Qatar, big US Gulf countries, Dubai. I don't think Dubai. So I think these countries are accepting UPI payment, which is very good for us because we don't but do you know how UPI works?
UPI.
I think as far as I know, UPI use the API system. I think.
No, actually, no. Ultimately, you are correct. You are telling us technically, but like as I said a moment before that some countries are accepting UPI payment, but before that we have an international number or we have ISD things. I don't know because these are telecommunication or technical things. But in India, like as we have our number which is linked to our bank account, so we have to enroll our number to UPI. So by after that we can only use the UPI transactions by using third party FDs, PhonePe, Google Pay, Paytm.
And everyone, I want to telling our audience how to install UPI apps and how to pay someone. Firstly, you have an Android phone and you can install easily PhonePe, Paytm, and any third party app, and you can log in on that app. After that, you have to create the account. And you have to add credit details. After that, you can easily use the UPI system.
UPI is good for the elders people, like they have, and also good for the paralyzed people. They don't move anywhere. They can use the UPI and pay transaction. Like somebody say